um, in the previous video we have somewhere lost related to providing information for the expiry of the documents uploaded for the dependents. So we will go to the personal note section. Here you can see I have added the details for the expiry of the documents which were uploaded for the dependent. As well, you can provide the information for the educational details, the work experience details. Then you can see I have added the educational detail as well, or any training has been provided to that employee, you can add those details, the certification. Now you have seen this view of profile and additional information page from admin perspective. Now let's go back to the login screen and log in with a new employee which we have created to see the information, like the details which we are going to see for an employee. You can see there are less modules been displayed for the employee, as employee is not having the access, admin access of the PowerERM. So there is a security for those modules, so that those modules can be accessed by the branch admin or the director of that organization. Now you can click on the employee name in the very top. You can see the personal details can be modified by only admin. The employee cannot modify the personal details. Once it is given to the HR, though they cannot modify the personal detail, but the contact details can be modified by the employee, the professional details. Also you can see the financial details related to bank accounts, the per diem and on-call rate being defined by the HR persons of the organization. That employee can provide the passport details. He can upload as many as document as wants, and he can just go to the additional information section and provide the dependent information, the education, the work experience. You can see there are different items can be provided by the employee. Now let's go back to the home page, and you can see in the right section there is a section of leave where we provide all the leave which is applicable to this employee and how much is the balance currently having in his account or in her account. Like for sick leave 30, annual 20 days, and for maternity 45 days. So the information of the leave has been provided in this section. Also you can see the coming birthdays, like these are the employees whose birthdays are coming in next 30 days. The company news, the apps and services. The my quick link is like the HR details, the salary slip, the on-call and employee shift scheduler, like which are the shift has been assigned to this employee in the next coming month. So you can provide lot of information. You can see the lot of information in the right hand section, and the attendance section is integrated with the RFID. Once we have integrated our system to the RFID, then automatically we will capture all the attendance detail from the RFID machine into the PowerERM system. So it will be an automated attendance and payroll system. Now let's log out from the employee and again log in with the admin. Now you can see there is one more section as added in the home page. In the right hand side is the system alerts, where we provide all the alerts related to passport, ICAMA, organization assets, visa. Like these are going to expire in 20 days. For the passport of super admin, the passport of Amrin will expire in next 21 days. So these are the alerts has been provided to the admin, where he can see the alerts of all the employees. You can see in the report section there is system alerts, where we provide all the alerts: visa alerts, ICAMA alerts, contract alerts, passports, driving license, medical insurance, asset and age alerts. And also you can see like the sort by expiry days is 60 days, some are having in next 60 days or in next 90 days. So you can provide you can see the alerts related to expiry of these documents. Now let's apply the different leave from the different employees. First I will apply an annual leave from the employee ID 6. Now you can see this is a Rajat Sahani, which is an Hindu employee and it's a male employee. So you can see the maternity and the pilgrimage leave has been not displayed to him, so he is not eligible to apply those leaves. Once he will go to the new request page of employee, he can see only 3 leaves which is allowed to him, so he can apply only those leaves. Since the period for annual leave is 30 days, but he is applying for before period, so we will click on exception, and then from 12th from 5th March to 25th March, let's say, we will apply an annual leave, and you can apply an exit re-entry for him, or a ticket, or the salary advance. He can check anything. Reason for leave is personal. India. So you can see the request is sent to Rizwan Khan and Hanzala Malik. Okay. I will submit this details in. Also you can see in the right hand section the balance of the leave has been displayed, the current balance which is having in his account. Once it is submit, you can go to the leave details page, where you can see different details like leave type is annual leave, the balance leave is 20, the working days leave is 21, total days is 21. Since we have not selected in the category to deduct the details, so if it is 21, so one day will be like -1, the balance will be after the approval of this leave in the account of Rajat. Now let's go back and apply some more leave from different employees as well. Let's go and apply any leave from Amreen Sheikh. So you can see there are different leaves. Since it is a female employee with maternity leave, the pilgrimage leave, you can see all the details been displayed in the right hand section. And now she can apply the maternity leave, let's say from 3rd of March to 20 March. This is maternity leave. Let's go to the view details section. You can see the leave type is maternity leave, full pay, the balance leave, the working days leave. So all the details been defined over here. Also you can see that the weekly holiday, the weekends which are coming in these days are 4 days are as the weekends. Now let's go and apply one more leave from another employee. Let's apply a pilgrimage leave from 10th March to 27th March. That's the pilgrimage leave. Now you can see it's all same as 18 days but having a 21 days. So go back and again apply one more leave from the new employee which we have created. Now we will apply a sick leave 11 and 12 March. Sick. So we have applied leave from different employees. Now we need to go and approve all those leave. So we will log out from the system and now we'll log in with the Amreen, and you can see the home page of the leave where we have 3 sections: my request, delegated request and received request. So in this section we will go to the received request where we can see the leave details of all those 4 employees. As you can see, this is the Amreen Sheikh, which is currently logged into the system and is having one leave request, so he cannot approve the leave request of his own. So we will approve the leave request for Sadaf Sheikh. As this is a sick leave, currently we need to go and approve the sick leave as well. So it's approved. So once it is approved, the balance of that employee will be automatically get reflected as the number of days. So currently balance leave is 30, working days leave is 2. So now let's go to the home page, the all employees, and go to the Sadaf Sheikh. You can see in the additional information as well the leave entitlement, leave adjustment history, and we can just log out from this and can go and see the balance of sick leave is now 28 days, as from the 30 days 2 leave has been approved by the admin. Now log out from this employee, and then we will again log in with the uh, another employee, Hanzala Malik. Let's log out with this as well and log in with Amreen Sheikh. Now go to the leave, again pending request. Go to the Rajat, the annual leave has been applied. Just click on approve, it will approve the leave. Now you can see the leave request has been approved. Now we will the approve and reject button is already getting displayed. Now the second supervisor has to approve the leave. We will again log out from the system and we will log in by the another supervisor. We'll go to the home page, the all request from Rajat Sahani, and we will again approve this request. So again this has been approved by Amreen Sheikh on this date and Hanzala Malik on this date. So the annual leave has been approved for Rajat Sahani. Now let's go back some. Let's go and approve the another two requests as well for the pilgrimage leave, and the another is for the maternity leave. So all the leave request has been now approved. Let's go to the home page, the all employees section. Go to the Amreen Sheikh. The entitlement, you can see the entitlement of this. The maternity leave last month balance is 27, leave approved for this month is 18, so the remaining from 25 is 27. So you can see all the details related to leave in the employee entitlement page, as well as we can see the ticket entitlement details for those employee as well. Similarly, you can see the leave balance and deduction details for all those employees in the entitlement section of that employee. Also you can see for the validation as well for the leave on applying the new request. So let me show you one more employee. Like it's for the 6 I had shown you. Again you can see the for the Rajat, he cannot apply the pilgrimage and the maternity leave. So, and let's go back and log in with she is a female employee, but she is not a Muslim, so she can apply only the maternity leave but not the pilgrimage leave. So the validation is already taken care by the system, as we have created different categories for these employees and assign those categories to those employees while creating these employee into the system. Now I had already applied few loans. Now you can see I had already applied a loan and an advance, like loan from advance from Rizwan Khan and loan from Amreen Sheikh. Like a loan amount is 55,000 and it's a monthly payment, and the payment number of payment is 3. So similarly, advance is for 10,000, 2 payments, and payment type is monthly. If you want, you can apply another loans, like you can see the apply new loan screens, loan or advance. Just select that, the provide the amount and other details, and submit the leave request. Loan request has been entered into the PowerERM system. So now I will approve all those loan requests. Now I am approving the loan request for advance requests. You can see the loan type is advance, number of payments and other details has been defined here. So let's approve it, and now disburse it. So once it is disbursed, then the loan amount has been provided to the employee, so it is disbursed. Similarly, I will approve the another request as well, so it is approved as well as disbursed. So all these details now will reflect into the payroll system. So the deduction will occur in the payroll system from the salary of that employee. Also, you can see I had already applied some reimbursement for the employees described. Like I had applied a reimbursement of 350 rupees from Rajat, and from Salman a 400 rupees. So I am going to approve this reimbursement request if it is like valid. So HR will go and approve the reimbursement request. So this approve is request, and it is disbursed. So the amount has been given to the employee. Similarly, I will go and approve the another request as well. Approve and disbursed. And the 400 for Salman and 350 for what the HR can do. HR can provide these amounts separately to those employees, or he can put these amount at the end of the month in the payroll. So in this video we have seen like the uploaded documents for the dependents, and the expiry details has been added into the personal notes, the leave, the validation related to leave types, the loans and advance and reimbursement. Also we have seen some part of employee information.